This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here at 2:30, so we're going to review oil and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This level is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, or ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, crude oil gapped up real nicely here on the OPEC news that they're actually going to cut 1.66 million barrels per day. Now, this is along with the 2 million barrels that they cut last fall. So going into summer driving, this is not going to be a good thing because this is going to have really high prices for oil, gas, distillates, etc. And the problem is our SPR now is really drained down pretty good. It drained close to 190 million barrels last year. There's only 385 million barrels in the SPR left. So I don't know what the U.S. can do here to try to curb some of these prices. But here, let's look at the charts. So what we want to look at here is on a key is $80.94. Now, if you look at today's candle, you'll see that it spiked above, but it couldn't hold it. So it left like an indecision candle here. So the gap on this thing is sitting at 79, and then the fill here is sitting at 75.72. So that's a pretty good gap and fill. So most of the time, not right away, not today, not tomorrow, but gaps and fills usually get filled. But let's look at the support levels. So we want to look first of all here at the 8 SMA. Okay, so your 8 SMA here on your monthly chart is sitting at 79.88. Okay, that'd be your first support. Then we have here your weekly at 76.79, your 8-day here at 75.19 on your weekly chart. We also have here your 77.25, and then your 75.73, which would line up with your gap there pretty nice on your 50-day SMA. Now, if this would happen to say I'm going to close above, because we know we've had some pretty good draws here last week. You had huge draws. So if you can close above 80.94, then we're going to go to this area here, which is around the 82 area. Then we have the 83 area. And then we have this nice target up here sitting at 84.62. That's your 200 SMA. That'd be a target. Now, if we could somehow close above, then we have the 21 SMA here sitting at 86. That's on your monthly chart. And then the big boy here, 50-day SMA sitting at 88.76. So those would be your upside targets. The key is going to be this $80.94. It needs to close up, or she's going to come selling down and possibly fill that gap. Okay, natural gas, your daily and your weekly chart here. We have pretty much the same thing. It's just a sideways action. Your channel still is intact, okay? What we want to look at here is 1.998. That was the higher low. If you can hold that, then you're okay. If it can't, then you have to look at this 1.967. That would be the target. Now, if that is lost, then what you want to do is you want to look at 1.852, 1.795, 1.758, 1.701, 1.641, 1.521, and then the big retest is 1.44. Now, if this is lost, I'll have all those numbers posted for you at the end of the video if that is lost. Right now, it's still just sideways action. You need to get above this key 8 SMA here at 2.12, the 21 here at 2.34, this 8-day, which is very critical, at 2.389. And then you have the 50-day here at 2.507. The retest is at 2.83, and then your big retest is at 3.027. Your channel here is still intact. We haven't lost this. So on the downside, watch that 1.967. On the upside, watch that 2.83. Right now, natural gas needs some kind of a catalyst to get it moving either one direction or the other. Now we're coming into summer. If you have a hot summer, that uses a lot of natural gas at these power plants. So right now, I am just scalping. Boil for the long, KOLD for the short, just daily trades, cash flow. There's not really much say, hey, I'm going to take a huge long or a huge short. You just have sideways action. There's just not really much here. I wish I could give you more there's just not really much to say one way or the other. So let's just be a little patient here. If it breaks down, watch at 1.967. If it breaks up, watch at 2.83. Thanks for watching.